Welcome to Dev Kit Weekly, where this week we'll be reviewing and raffling the QuickLogic QuickFeather Development Kit. It wasn't too long ago that FPGAs were really only used for pre-silicon prototyping. Blink and they're in embedded systems ranging from industrial control platforms to network RF infrastructure. Blink again, and they're at the bleeding edge of Edge AI. A perfect example is the QuickLogic QuickFeather Development Kit, an open-source platform based on the 0.9-inch by 2-inch Adafruit Feather form factor and designed around QuickLogic's EOS S3 ARM Cortex-M4F microcontroller with integrated eFPGA technology. The eFPGA provides 2400 logic cells, 64 kilobytes of RAM, and 8 FIFO controllers, and is joined by an on-chip sensor manager as well as a flexible fusion engine, or FFE, that contains its own memory resources and delivers microDSP-like functionalities for efficiently executing mathematical computations like always-on, real-time sensor fusion algorithms. Those last two blocks are put to good use on the QuickFeather kit, where a pressure sensor from Infineon and M-Cube accelerometer interface with the sensor processing subsystem via the board's I2C or SPI interfaces. Audio captured by an Infineon PDM digital microphone, also on board, leverages the QuickFeather's I2S interface to transmit signals to logic blocks dedicated to pulse code modulation, or PCM conversion, or low power sound detect, LPSD, that enables local voice recognition. All this is a great segue into the kit's AI capabilities, which take shape in the form of tiny ML applications built using TensorFlow Lite or the AI Analytics Toolkit from SensiML, a QuickLogic subsidiary. Developers can take advantage of the SensiML Analytics Toolkit's AutoML workflow, for example, to generate code based on advanced AI and ML algorithms that's optimized to run on the QuickFeather kit and be updated over time. According to the company, the SensiML Analytics Toolkit enables 5 times faster time to market over hand-coded algorithms deployed into industrial, commercial, agriculture, and consumer use cases. And all of that is powered by just a single lithium polymer battery. And there's even an onboard LiPo charging circuit. Now at this point, I bet a lot of you are saying, but Taryn, there's still the whole FPGA programming thing. Yeah, I know. And QuickLogic knows too. That's why the company has made open source tools like SymbiFlow and Renode available as part of the QuickFeather software stack. SymbiFlow makes FPGA development more accessible to the engineering community by optimizing the FPGA design flow from Verilog to by-stream generation, while Renode provides a system-level simulation framework that accelerates platform development. Among all of this, there's no requirement for a multi-gigabyte software install that clogs up the 16 Mbit SPI NOR flash from GigaDevice. And since the programmable logic is tied to USB data signals and a serial wire debug connector that can be used with a USB TTL converter, sold separately, the path to efficient hardware programming has been made pretty straightforward. These combine with other well-known tools in the QuickFeather toolchain, such as support for the Zephyr RTOS and FreeRTOS SDKs, Android compatibility, and MicroPython friendly to give users the potential of a completely free and open source software stack. In bringing us back full circle while still keeping it open, the QuickLogic QuickFeather Development Kit can be extended via 20 GPIO header pins defined in the Feather specification. So, now you're ready to jump on FPGA-based Edge AI with the QuickLogic QuickFeather Development Kit. If you're looking to get your hands on one, you can do so from CrowdSupply, Mouser, or directly from QuickLogic for just $59. Not bad. Of course, you can also enter the raffle linked on screen now and in the description below for a chance to win this QuickFeather here for absolutely free. We'll even pay the shipping. And once you've got one, you can take advantage of the QuickFeather Dev Kit resources page on the QuickLogic site that provides software, videos, resources, and even a forum. So happy hunting at the edge, whatever signals you happen to be hunting. We'll see you next week on Dev Kit Weekly.
For more content from embedded computing design, including behind-the-scenes footage, raffles, giveaways, and just cool stuff that we're doing in general, visit us on social at the links provided in the bio below.